this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share what are some of the things that I prepare when I start making my cards. I actually was looking at my videos and I came across a video that I had recorded of the first cards that I made. So I am gonna go ahead and edit that video and post it up. So just so you're aware, it is a late video because it's from March, but it does show the process of me sitting down and making my first cards that I did. And I'm pretty much just sitting there. So I'll probably speed up the video, but I kind of wanted to share that with you because that was pretty much my first cards that I was making. I did end up posting pictures of those cards on my Instagram, so I think it's only fair to go ahead and edit the video and just post it. But let me go ahead and share with you what I have usually when I'm making the cards. So I obviously have to have what I've been using is I use blank cards. So like I found these the other day at Target. These were in the dollar spot section, or I don't remember. I think it's a dollar spot. I don't remember what it's called. I haven't been there in a while. But I got these cards. So these are blank. These are kind of ivory color. These are also ivory with gold stripes. And then these are just the normal, just brown ones, or I don't remember what this is called, but these. So I ended up getting these. I ended up getting a few of these so I can use that for my cards, especially because they're like Christmas holiday cards. And then what I do is I also have, so I pretty much work with sets of whether it's a paper pad or like the sets that come in already, like in the packages that they sell, like at Tuesday morning they'll have the little packages, and it's all like whether it's a holiday or a themed. So I kind of do that. So this box here, what I have is I just have different sizes. So like for example, this one here, I have this card. I usually make them a little bit smaller so there's an edge around, kind of like this one here, how there's you could see the white edge. So I make the card small enough so that there's an actual border on it. So for example, these are the ones that I have, and I just kind of, like I said, I have to kind of measure to see what I'm going to be using. And then once I do start cutting, I usually use a 12 by 12 paper pads. I'll just save these, and then I use these as well to go ahead and kind of start planning the cards. And then I also have these little strips here, and then I'll also have, so like these are another leftover, but then I also use, these are 3 by 3, so or a little bit over 3 by 3, so I also use these on smaller cards, or if I just want to make like a design in the middle. Just come trying to look at my cards that I had. So like for example, on this one, this is what I used here, and then I have a white background, so kind of like that. So that's what I have. This one I kind of started, but I had to stop. So, and then this right here is just all the leftover little pieces that I can use as well, and it's from the same collection, so I'm trying to keep them together, because then I also have this other random box that I just start throwing stuff in that either doesn't fit anymore on whatever cards I'm doing. So like this one says Merry Christmas. This is from the top of the 12 by 12 paper pad or page. So I just kind of throw random ones in here. So I have this, and then I also have the die cuts. So like these are from different sets, but like I use these in case I see something that will match. I know that I use the gingerbread cookie here on one of the other cards that I made. So I kind of look to see what would fit with the card that I'm making. So I have that as well. I have little different little die cuts like this, and then I have this little box here where I have my double-sided sticky foam tape, which makes the cards get dimension. Like if I'm putting like a card on top, I have the little sentiments here. So these just say holiday cheer, Merry Christmas, season's greetings, and then I have the little these little gems that I get from Dollar Tree. I just make sure that when I cut really close to them. That way there's no extra little, extra little like fibers that are there, like string fibers. I don't know what they're called. This is a gold thread that I talked about the other day. I use it on this card here for the little tassel on the top. I have two different kinds of ribbon here. I have the one that says Merry Christmas and the one that's a candy cane design one. And then I have, these are just random little, so these are just little die cuts, like little scallop die cuts that I use with gold paper. So I'll just have these here in case I want to add some little gold on any of the cards. And then these here are, I had mentioned on my previous cards that I had shown you, these are just label stickers from Dollar Tree. So I just cut them up and put them here. But like for example, this guy, I would just cut off the to or from, or maybe cover it up with something, and I can use that. I can use this word joy, this little bird, this one right here, Santa and a snowman, the little reindeer, and there's like a lot of little glitter on there. Santa, oh, there was one that, there's a little cute fox here I wanted to show you. There's this little cute fox here that has some little presents there. There's this tree here. So like I said, it's either you can cover this up, like you could totally add something else here to cover it up and use it. So that's what I use. I also have these, if I don't want to use my little cutouts, I also have these stickers that I bought that are gold. They just say Merry Christmas. I did find like these I got at Hobby Lobby. I feel like I had a hard time finding just stickers that were like this to use. These were the only ones that I found. There was other ones, but they were like random, so they were not like the same, or it was just like a few. I don't know how to explain it, but I needed either all of them to be the same so I can use them, or different like happy holidays, and there were some weird ones. I didn't really like them. I don't know, maybe I wasn't looking hard enough. And then these little Mambi chips, so they're pretty much just stickers that are like really hard. So they just have different words on there. So I also have this handy. What else? I feel like I'm missing something. I also have this here. So this is pretty much a setup of different die cuts that I have. So these are circled, scallop, these little flags that have these little, I don't know if you can see it here, but maybe if I put it here, you see how it has a design, some like frames, and then I have them in red and I have them in green. Oh, I have this here. And then these are just random ones that I did with other paper pads. So I just have them there just in case something matches with what I'm doing. So like for example, this one would fit in, this one would fit in. I don't know about this one. Oh yeah, I think I do have some colors of these as well, and this one as well. So, and then I have in here, I put some little bows that I did just so that I wouldn't lose them. So I'm gonna set up here because I'm gonna be doing that for my next video. And I'll just pretty much have my stuff here set up. Like I said, I kind of have learned as I go because it gets overwhelming if you have too many things. Oh yeah, I forgot to share this. I have this little trinket box. So these are also items I can use. So I have buttons, I have foam stickers, I have bells, I have punch outs. So these are snowflakes, stars, and they're different colors. Some of them are buttons, so if I'm able to take off that little part, I can use them. If not, I would have to just use the ones that are flat backs. Here, these trees are so cute. These are flat backs. They're like resin pieces, but they're glittery, and I really like these. And these are buttons, but they're little snowflakes, so totally can use that as well. Then these here, these are I don't remember what these are called, but these, if anybody could remind me what these are called. See, I like these, but they have like that plastic because these are actual buttons. This one's not a button, so I could totally use this on a card. You see this, like it looks like a candy, and then the cupcake. These would be so cute on a card. So yeah, so I have that, and then obviously you have other tools. So like these, I have the Nuvo drops that I'm gonna be using. Obviously you need double-sided tape. glue if you want to use glue, which I actually been in search of my glue bottle because I don't know where I left it. I use glue sticks. I use obviously your scissors. I use these pins here. These are just, this is gold, silver, and then these are other metallic pins. I just have them handy in case I need them. I also have, so like I have this, but I already kind of used it. I showed it to you. I just kind of cut up papers. I haven't tried, look, these are the Christmas trees or trees. I was thinking about doing this, but with this, but I haven't done that yet. I haven't tried cutting it in my machine. So definitely also that. Stamps, if you have stamps, if you have any die cuts that are like shaped for any the holiday that you're doing. So that's kind of what I have right now, and that's what I'm going to be using to work on my cards. Hopefully I'm able to upload this video today. Today is Veterans Day, so I was off from work, so I get to do some of my stuff that I like to do, as well as rest. So definitely happy Veterans Day if you get to stay home today. I know some people had to work, but you know, we all have different jobs, and they have different commitments per job. So I know my husband had to work today, so but definitely celebrating veterans and everything that they've done for us. I did want to share something with you. So you know, I don't know if you've seen, but there's like a craze of the Starbucks cups, that you get a Starbucks cup, and there's all these collections. I ended up getting this one. It's like a metallic blue. It looks black blue, but I think it's more like a blue. It's just so metallic-y. I ended up getting this, and I ended up getting 2 other cups, which I'm drinking more. I'm trying to get myself to drink more water, so I've been buying that. I bought those to kind of help me. I bought the studded hot pink cup, and then I also got the silver one, so I was excited because those are the only 2 that I found. So this I've been drinking. I like to drink the darker one because I mix in a protein drink in it, so it definitely brings out the flavor. So I've been using this one, and that's what I have in my cup today. This is from Aldi. It's the brand is Barissimo. They have different flavors. There is one that I really loved, which was cinnamon vanilla, I believe, and they had a limited edition, so I was really sad that they most likely won't have it again unless people request it. So Aldi, if you're listening, definitely love that coffee. It's in a red box. If you got the chance to taste it, let me know what you thought about it. But anyways, I'm going to be working on getting some of these cards put together, and like I said, I am going to share that video of the cards that I've come up to as of right now. I actually have a box. Maybe for the next video I'll show you where I'm at with those cards and how they came out. But definitely I will be posting this video up and then the other video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.